Hey guys, Adam here. Going to do a recap for Tuesday the 27th of November. Going to show you a profitable trade and a loss I took today, and the reason I took the loss and the reason I was patient enough to wait around for the profitable trade to set up. Let's see. Pretty choppy day all in all. There really wasn't a lot of craziness in the market. Had a little bit of news come out at 7 o'clock Pacific, 10 o'clock Eastern time here. What I did was I left the computer a little bit, came back in a hurry just to see this trade set up, and I got all excited, and I went ahead and I jumped long right here at the 1404, just in time to go. I went long here, so you see what happened to me. I got too excited. I stepped away from the computer, and I didn't look at my internals and exactly what was going on, and I had a little brain fart because at 7 o'clock, right here on this bar, news came out. So complete brain fart. There's a little life lesson for you when it comes to trading. Always know when news comes out. We're all going to mess up. We're all going to make that mistake. I sure as shit never want to do it again, but it's happened before, and all I can do is hope it doesn't ever happen again. Granted, I do have rules that got me out of it. I didn't take a full stop out. I only lost 6 ticks on it total. So I was able to see the market and then catch myself. Once I saw new buyers coming in here, I was like, what is going on? Something going on because my market internals were working out real well. And I started thinking, I was like, holy crap. All right, it's 7:02, so I need to cut my losses here. So that's what I did. I cut my losses. I only lost 6 ticks. No big deal in the S&P, 75 bucks. So then I just decided to wait around and see what's going on. This market went ahead and sold off. We've had, as you see over here in the daily, we've had a string of up days. The markets went up. It just needs to take a little bit of break. Now I do see this continuing tomorrow. Whether I see it continuing for another couple days or weeks, I don't know. I do see with today's activity, I do see tomorrow being a positive day, but that's still to come. We'll see what happens. But as far as today goes, the market took a little break and decided to chop around for a little while. So let's take a look at here, and I'll show you. I just showed you why I messed up that trade. Now let's move forward, and I'll show you what trade I did to make up for it. So then I just waited around for a little bit. There really wasn't a lot going on. Market internals went from extremely bullish to extremely bearish during this time right here. During this downfall right here. So I just waited. I wanted to see whether this is going to break the previous day or we're going to turn around and bounce right back up. Sure enough, what did it do? It turned around and headed right back up. So we got a little consolidation here, and what I was doing is I was waiting. Bring this over here. What I'm looking for now is going to show you this tick chart right here. What happened was I got in earlier during the news on this bar right here. What did it do? Sure enough, it sold straight off. I had, like I said, didn't have the time right on my computer and got it wrong. Sure enough, the tick sold off. So that was where I went wrong there. So what I was waiting for, whether to see if this is going to continue to the downside, or I was honestly waiting for this long trade to set up. I was waiting for this final breakout of the tick. And then what I do with the tick is I have this, I guess, teal or blue line here at the 0 level. Now what I'm looking for is I want the tick to either break through, come back and test the 0 level, and then head back long to the upside for longer trades, or I want it to stay below. And that's exactly what I was looking for. Right here, what happened was it came down here, it consolidated, it stayed below the 0 level, but then it started to pierce its head up a little bit. It broke it a couple different times. Started to break here, so I seen weakness, but then it sold right back off. And then up here, it broke, and actually it stayed up there for a couple bars, and then it didn't sell off as much as it was. So we did have a little bit of, if you want to call it, higher lows. But what I was waiting for is just this couple bars right here. I wanted to see this thing take off a little bit, and then come back and retest this 0 line. As soon as it came back and retested the 0 line and was not able to pierce it, like these bars down here, I was confident in my long position. So then what do? Then I just simply wait and take my setups. So move that out of the way. Sorry about that. So what that was this area right here. And what I'm doing is I'm waiting for a bar. Whenever that tick broke out, it happened on this exact bar right here. I'll just blow that up for you a little bit here. So I was sitting around here waiting, and finally, bam, broke these highs. We've been waiting for it to break these highs all day. Finally consolidated for quite a while, and then bam, broke up. So what do? I looked at the internals. That's exactly when the tick broke up, came back and tested, and then the tick had already been rolling to the upside, so I took this long entry right here. I went ahead in with multiple contracts, was able to take some off at the previous high, and I actually took off right here. The reason I took off right there and I wasn't able to hold it all the way up, I wasn't willing to risk this profit that I had right here. You know, I had this much profit. I wasn't willing to risk that to wait for this, because I did see the I went ahead and I drew my fibs, and because there was so much, I guess, choppiness in the market today, I just went ahead and I took my final targets at the just before the 50% pullback for the day so far. So I went ahead and I got out here. I didn't get this full profit to the upside, but that's fine because I follow my rules, and it is what it is. So pretty choppy day. There wasn't a lot going on. They were the only two trades I actually took today, and it turned out to be a profitable day because I was able to manage my first one short enough just to lose 6 ticks and go on to win a 24 tick winner right here. So all in all, it wasn't a bad day for 2 trades. It is what it is. Not a lot, but it still pays the bills. So I'm just going to stay disciplined. We'll see what tomorrow comes. I do see some up move tomorrow, but if not, we're going to be here trading it. So if you got any questions, go ahead and head over to directiontrader.com. Feel free to write me an email, adam@directiontrader.com. Come join the live trading room. But that's it for now. Go ahead and email me if you like. If not, have a good day.